Hello students, today we are going to read about how to find the midpoint of a line segment. So what is a line segment? A line segment is a part of a line and has a fixed length. That means line segment can be measured. The midpoint of a line segment is the point exactly halfway along its length. If the coordinates of the two ends of a line segment, that is, line segment has 2 points, 2 end point, that is A and B. So that coordinate can be written the value for x and value for y. So here the 1 is the value for x, the 3 is the value for y. Same way the B as value for x and y. To avoid the confusion, we are using that x1 and y1, x2 and y2. So here the a coordinate, the value for the a coordinate is 1, 3. So x value is 1, then the y value is 3. So 1, 3. Then value for the b is 7, 5. So x value is 7 and y value is 5. So we are plotting here. The B point we are plotting here. To find the mid, so when you joined it, you are getting the line segment. So to find the midpoint of the coordinates, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here the x1 is 1, then the y1 is 7. So 1 plus 7 by 2. Then y1 plus y2. So here y value is 3. Then the y2 value is 5. So 3 plus 5 by 2. So 8 by 2. 8 by 2. So the midpoint, the coordinate for the midpoint is 4, 4. We are going to plot it here. 4, x value is 4, as well as the y value is also 4. So the midpoint we can plot it here. So here it is the midpoint. To check the midpoint, whether our answer is correct or not, we can measure the line from A to M, the M lies off of the line segment. I hope you all understand how to find the midpoint of a line segment. Thank you.